Dinner recipes. Asian. 1. Asian salmon stir-fry. Ingredients: 1 albae salmon fillets, cut into bite-sized pieces. 1 teaspoon vegetable oil. 1 red bell pepper, sliced. 1 yellow bell pepper, sliced. 1 cup snow peas. 1 cup broccoli florets. 1/4 cup soy sauce. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon ginger, grated. 1 teaspoon honey. 1 teaspoon rice vinegar. Cooked rice, for serving. Instructions: 1. In a small bowl, mix together soy sauce, garlic, ginger, honey, and rice vinegar. Set aside. 2. In a large skillet or wok, heat vegetable oil over high heat. 3. Add salmon pieces and cook until lightly browned, about 3-4 minutes. 4. Remove salmon from skillet and set aside. 5. In the same skillet, add red and yellow bell peppers, snow peas, and broccoli. Cook for 3-4 minutes until vegetables are slightly tender. 6. Add the soy sauce mixture to the skillet and stir to combine with the vegetables. 7. Return the salmon to the skillet and cook for an additional 2-3 minutes until salmon is cooked through and the sauce has thickened. 8. Serve over cooked rice and enjoy your Asian salmon stir-fry. 2. Korean BBQ beef bowl. Ingredients: 1 lb beef sirloin, thinly sliced. 1 teaspoon vegetable oil. 1 onion, sliced. 1 red bell pepper, sliced. 1 cup mushrooms, sliced. 1/4 cup soy sauce. 2 teaspoons brown sugar. 1 teaspoon honey. 1 teaspoon sesame oil. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon ginger, grated. Cooked rice, for serving. Green onions, chopped for garnish. Instructions: 1. In a small bowl, mix together soy sauce, brown sugar, honey, sesame oil, garlic, and ginger. Set aside. 2. In a large skillet or wok, heat vegetable oil over high heat. 3. Add beef slices and cook until browned, about 3-4 minutes. 4. Remove beef from skillet and set aside. 5. In the same skillet, add onion, red bell pepper, and mushrooms. Cook for 3-4 minutes until vegetables are slightly tender. 6. Add the soy sauce mixture to the skillet and stir to combine with the vegetables. 7. Return the beef to the skillet and cook for an additional 2-3 minutes until beef is cooked through and the sauce has thickened. 8. Serve over cooked rice and garnish with chopped green onions. 3. Thai coconut curry shrimp. Ingredients: 1 albae shrimp, peeled and deveined. 1 teaspoon vegetable oil. 1 onion, chopped. 1 red bell pepper, sliced. 1 cup carrots, sliced. 1 cup zucchini, sliced. 1 cup green beans, trimmed. 1 can coconut milk. 2 teaspoon red curry paste. 1 teaspoon fish sauce. 1 teaspoon brown sugar. Cooked rice, for serving. Fresh cilantro for garnish. Instructions: 1. In a large skillet or wok, heat vegetable oil over high heat. 2. Add shrimp and cook until pink and cooked through, about 2-3 minutes. Remove from skillet and set aside. 3. In the same skillet, add onion, red bell pepper, carrots, zucchini, and green beans. Cook for 3-4 minutes until vegetables are slightly tender. 4. In a small bowl, mix together coconut milk, red curry paste, fish sauce, and brown sugar. 5. Add the coconut milk mixture to the skillet and stir to combine with the vegetables.